Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective here again as we do jump back above our 10-day moving average. Again, with our Morningstar setup continuing on higher here, back above our 10-day as our 10 crosses, still above our 21-day, our 21 above our 50, pointing up here, showing us that possible continuation as we retest our prior gap down. And again, this is our gap down level that we had before we had our major red candle. So again, this is within that gap down level. Now testing our prior balance high here, as you guys can see, exactly testing our prior balance high on the dot. Where exactly may we be headed? What exactly will give us confirmation from here? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you are looking for major volatile movers, again, like we had here with TTOO. As you guys can see here with TTOO, again, testing 15 cents, mentioned news in the Instables room. Again, a large sell that they did have, again, from 15 cents all the way up to 22 cents. Again, a major run that we had in the Instables room, over 30% on this breakout on a clear continuation on above our prior high. Again, simply taking what the market gives us is what we do in the Instables room every single day. Again, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spy with you guys again, looking at our intraday perspective, again, as we have been getting pullbacks, we have been buying these dips to the downside because, again, overall on our weekly chart, we have been getting our 21 weekly moving average crossing above our 50 weekly moving average that we have not had happen, again, in the last year of our sell-off since we did cross lower here. So again, we have been getting these pullbacks, our wicks to the downside, which again are these pullbacks here on the daily chart that we are looking at. So again, with these pullbacks, now sitting on another pullback, exactly testing our prior balance high. So what I would be looking for from here is to see if we can possibly get an engulfing candle on support here, if we can possibly prove this level as support. Again, possible engulfing candle, possible continuation on respecting our 10-day. Even if we get a possible pullback going into tomorrow, we get a possible engulfing candle following through with that pullback. In my opinion, that's going to be a super strong play to the upside. We could have a possible continuation, and that could be, again, debt ceiling uncertainty turning into more certainty, which will possibly give us that continuation. Again, we have our resistance that we have been keeping an eye on here at 425, and then we have our next resistance here at 431. Again, in my opinion, like I have mentioned, at 431 will be a stronger support that if we can hold, then we can have a gap up all the way up to about 445 here. Again, we have a major gap down level that we had prior here, and in my opinion, we can definitely gap into if we continue on past 431. So again, we will possibly continue on all up to about 438 and then look for that possible continuation up to 445 if we can continue on past 431. But again, as we retest our prior balance high here, again, in my opinion, we are looking to see if we can hold support here, if this is going to be any possible continuation on a pullback, which again, in my opinion, can turn into a major evening star setup if we happen to have a major default and America just goes to absolutely nothing and everybody just loses. So that's very unlikely, of course. And in my opinion, we are very much, even if we do get a pullback, looking for any possible continuations on higher. Again, high of the day here at 422, possible retest at 431 if we can continue on past 425, and past 431 again is going to be that bigger gap level if we can hold this level as support. So again, this is what we're looking for. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, again, like we mentioned with TTOO, again, a major run that we had in the Instables room, one of the most simplest plays, in my opinion, with very nice news in the Instables room. Again, testing 15 cents, mentioned at about 14 cents, but testing 15 cents. We continued on past 15 cents, jumping up to 22 cents on the day. Didn't mention any more alerts at about 18 cents, and we just continued on higher if you were holding, or if not, then you were taking profit at that point, in my opinion. But again, this is not financial advice, of course. This is only what I would be doing. And again, these are the type of movers we mentioned every single day in the Instables room. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. Again, a very nice run like we had here with TTOO, running over 15 cents to 22 cents. We will continue to stick with market gives us like we had here. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.